For number 3, we're solving by the quadratic formula. And my first step is normally to get everything onto one side and 0 on the other, but that's already been done for us here. So I'm going to identify my a, b, and c. A is 1, b is 8, and c is 15. And then I'm going to write my quadratic formula, but I'm going to put open parentheses wherever I see my variables. So this is my template. So the 1 is going to go here and here. 8 is going to go here and here. And the 15 is going to go there. And now I need to simplify. So this will be negative 8 plus or minus square root of 4. I made that a little bit too big. And this is all over 2. So the square root of 4, that's just 2. And now that there's no more radicals, we should be able to get two regular numbers. So these will combine. So x is equal to negative 8 plus 2 over 2. X is equal to negative 8 minus 2 over 2. So negative 6 over 2 or negative 3. And this would be negative 10 over 2 or negative 5. So those would be your two answers. Now I do want to talk about one other thing here. Like comparing the different methods, quadratic formula will always be able to get you a solution. So these weird things with like square root of 14 over 2 or i's, factoring can't do that. Completing the square can do it, and quadratic formula can do it, but factoring is very limited. The advantage to factoring is that it's relatively fast compared to the other methods, meaning if I were to do this problem by factoring, it would not take me very long at all. So I would look at this problem, and to solve it by factoring, I would say, okay, I can put my x and my x. What two numbers multiply together to give you 15 but add together to give you 8? That would be plus 5 plus 3. And then you would set these both equal to 0, and you'd get x is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to negative 3, which are our two answers here. And it only took like 2 steps. So the advantage to factoring is that it can be relatively quick, but it won't always be able to get you an answer. Whereas quadratic formula pretty much takes the same amount of time no matter what, which can be kind of lengthy, but it will always get you an answer.